Master words for TOEIC, CELPIP, and IELTS in 2 minutes a day.
Assembly. Noun. Assemble. Disassemble. Disassembly. Reassembly. Assembler. Assemblyman. A group of people gather together for a specific purpose or meeting. The process of fitting together the parts of something to make a whole. A legislative body, especially one that makes laws for a government or organization. The school held an assembly to celebrate the students' achievements. The assembly of the new bookshelf took about an hour. The assembly voted to pass the new law. The technician began the disassembly of the engine to find a problem. Careful disassembly of the device is required for recycling. The team planned a reassembly of the machine after cleaning all the parts. The reassembly of the puzzle was quick once we had the edges. An assembler at the factory puts together the electronic components. The computer program uses an assembler to convert code into instructions. The assemblyman spoke to his constituents about their concerns. Our local assemblyman proposed a new community park. The workers will assemble the furniture in the living room. Please assemble all the participants in the main hall. We had to disassemble the tent before the rain started. The crew will disassemble the stage after the concert. After the repair, you must carefully reassemble the entire unit. It was difficult to reassemble the model after it broke. Key tips for assembly. Usage. Crucial for describing groups, manufacturing, and government, especially in TOEIC business context. Common test questions. Analogy. Assembly is to product as meeting is to decision. Synonym selection. A gathering or meeting, noun. To put together or construct, verb. Common confusables. Assembly, a group, versus assemble, to gather or put together. Assembly, process, versus manufacturing, broader production process. Relevant idioms. Right of assembly, the freedom to gather peacefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you tomorrow.